Hello everyone, I'm Manish. Today is 11th May 2020 and I'll be taking you a walkthrough of my trade today. This is the Nifty May futures chart as you can see, and there's a 5 minute chart. So the day started with Nifty being positive and Nifty was trading above the 80 hour stop loss line, which is a very important indicator that I use for exits, and also a setup which defines that I had a long setup today. So this kept going up till 940 candle. At 940, it made a temporary high of 9442.35, after which it started going down. At this point, since it was a long setup and we had also retraced a little, I kept a buy order at the high of this candle, which was 9442.35, but this was never broken. And then Nifty kept going down and down. At around 10:50, it broke the 8 year line, so my long setup ended at this point, and I cancelled my buy order. I was still not in a short setup because Nifty was still trading above its lowest point in the day, which was the first candle. So we waited, and at around 11:25, it broke. At 11:25 or 11:30 candle, it broke the lowest point of the day, and at this point we got into a short setup. So we waited for it to make a new low, which it made at around 11:40. After this, we can see that this low was respected, so we created a short order for sell at the lowest point of this, which is 9301.30. But then we can see that Nifty went in a sideways mode and for most of the day, and this low was finally breached at 2:10 p.m. So at this point, our order was filled, at which point we kept a trailing stop loss at the ATR and we kept on trailing the down move. But as you can see that our ATR was never hit. So at the end of the 310 candle, we exited our position. The close of the 3 end candle is 922.9.10. So that is where we executed manually. So I'll just show you how it is reflected in the journal. So in the journal, you can see this is the date 5/11. The previous date on 5/8, you can see we ended with the capital of 5,59,000. So we took a 3% of this as a risk, which came down to 16,784. So this was our initial entry point, and this was our stop loss, the initial stop loss on which we base our position size. So based on these two things and this, the risk, we got a position size of 225. So we entered 225 quantity, which is 3 lots. So once we exited here, we could exit at 9229.28. This is the exit point we got, though in the charts we are supposed to get at 9229.10. So we had a minor slippage over here, which is kind of okay, which is too less. So finally we got 71 points, and which gave us a profit of 16,159 rupees, and the brokerages and taxes and everything for this trade would be around 437 rupees, and we can finally pocket 15,722 rupees in with us. So if we add this to our initial capital of the end of Friday, we get to around 5,75,200, which is a new equity high for us. The previous equity high was on the 4th of May, which you can see was 5,74,975. Just a 300 rupees extra gain, but a new high is a new high. So that is it. This new equity high will now bring us to a total gain of 15% from the initial capital. The initial capital that we had was 5 lakhs. So we from 6th of April to today, which is 11th of April, we have gained around 15% in this intraday strategy. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll keep bringing out my daily trading journals and also bringing out new strategies for trading every weekend. So thank you.